All right, we're here tonight in New Orleans, Louisiana, with Mr. and Miss Epping, and we just finished putting the pool in for them and turning it all on, and I want to get a few words from each one of them. So, Miss Epping, you ready to give me some words on this testimonial?
Well, I've been looking so forward to this pool for so long and wasn't sure we would even be able to do it, but Doug showed us that we could get the pool the size that we needed for our yard, and I've already used it a number of times and I love it.
Great. How about it, Andy?
First pool, lot to learn, professional installation, well done. Looking forward to increasing my knowledge now. Thank you.
Thank y'all. And the puppy dog.
Yeah, what's he gonna say?